UPSC and APSC Coaching Center. We would also like to welcome and felicitate them. Pardon, and good morning everyone. Today, on the eve of the inauguration of the third batch of the free coaching for UPSC and the APSC examination initiated by the Caribbean Autonomous Council under the leadership of Dr. Tuliram Rangam sir. I, on behalf of Unified Foundation and the students of Unified Foundation, along with all our aspirants present here, would like to heartily welcome our Caribbean Autonomous Council. And we already, Sir Dilip, we already clapped for both of you brothers as two civil servants from the same family. My students happen to give a round of applause for two brothers from the same family, because I happen to think Radhesham sir as Dilip sir. But it is a joy and a pride for us at this moment that we have two sirs from the same family who are civil servants. Thank you, sir, for your presence. I would also like to thank from this platform our Honorable Chief Executive Member of the Caribbean Autonomous Council, Dr. Tuliram Rangam sir, for giving us the opportunity to impart not just education, but to impart a direction, to impart wisdom, to impart knowledge, and to show a way to all our educated youths of Caribbean who may be having or have the desire of studying in places like Delhi, like Chennai and Kerala, but because of his generosity, because of his kind-heartedness, because of his willingness to understand your problems, he has taken this initiative to bless you all with the finest coaching of the state, because we have the finest teachers who are teaching you all. We take pride and honor in imparting education to students all over the country for the civil service examination, be it Assam Civil Service, be it Meghalaya Civil Service, be it Uttar Pradesh Civil Service, or any other state civil service, including the UPSC, because it is only possible for the great teachers that we have along with us today. Some of them are here. Sir, can you just stand up once so that the students can see your face, all the three teachers who are here today. We have Mr. Amit Rai from Maharashtra. We have Mr. Sashidhar from Maharashtra again. We have Sir Pradeep from Delhi. He has just arrived yesterday. In fact, he stays here in Diphu and Caribbean, and they are very used to Caribbean as they are teaching. They have been teaching here. Thank you, sir. You can have your seat. Today, through this initiative of KASC, we understand that the government has the willingness to support the students, and the government is acting righteously towards supporting the students. It is like before you're asking and going and giving an application to our Honorable CM, sir, he's already approving it to you all. And I am grateful to Honorable Tuliram Rangam sir, particularly because he has not just given the opportunity to the educated youths, but he is opening the future for the district, for the largest district of the state of Assam, which is Karbi-Anglong. He is giving an opportunity to everybody, and this opportunity is not just an opportunity to get a job. This opportunity is to build a future for your district. This opportunity